chance manalo ang Team Rise and ba, partner? Magpumugas sa semis.
Yes, oo.
Okay, alright.
Eto na, Boss Charles.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, we're coming to you live here from Strike Gym here in Bacoor, Cavite para sa ating Motivated 3x3 Influencers Cup. Charles Bechong here, Pao Salud. And this is the quarterfinals. Pao Ryzen Street Sneakers laban sa team halftime rather.
Okay. Charles,
sumasablay na tayo.
4-1 ha. Hindi ko pa tapos sa ano mo.
Kaya nga, ang bilis nga ng laro natin eh.
Which is in favoring us, no? Ang titibay ng mga players natin. Mas mauna pa yata tayo bibigay dito. But, you know what? We continue to be motivated. 5-2 na tayo dito, ha? This is the quarterfinals.
Grabe, ang bilis ng scoring natin sa laban na ito.
Kung kanilang laban na Bosco,
5-2 is the score. Less than a minute gone by.
There you go.
There you go
nice.
by Oleg.
Ang taas ang shooting percentage ng dalawang kapunan. Halftime.
Here's halftime.
6-2. Good time.
1 second.
Naku na, bitawan. And shot clock violation.
Team Ryzen basketball.
6-2 is the score. 10 seconds remaining. Boss Charles. Inside, 7-2 is the score.
Yun ang kailangan. Ano?
Parang tinatamad sa depensa itong team ni Halftime. Here he goes. Halftime.
Pero sa opensa,
Wala pa din yan.
Sayang. Bumalik siya na rin. Ni-rebound niya, nilabas niya. Hindi lang nailabas ng todo.
Kailangan dalawang paa yung nakalabas.
Todo labas. 7-2. Nice crossover.
Halftime.
Halftime naman, pinapatakbo mo si halftime eh. But is it a bad pass or a bad catch?
A little bit of both yata, Pao.
Hindi na tumakbo si halftime eh.
That's JP Salonga. Or Team Katagumpay rather. Boss Charles again.
Same spot, same result.
Here goes Team Halftime. Boss Charles the rebound. He's open. Is he gonna take it? Yes, he will. Is he gonna make it? Yes, he will.
There you go. When you're in heat, you're in fire. And na mainit na mainit. Fire. Ayan na, umago pa. Offense, defense. Give it to him. Pinasa pa patalikod.
Team
Highlight.
Katagumpay. All day to shoot. Team Katagumpay knocks down that long one.
Grabe, tambak na po ang halftime. 10-2 in favor of
Ayaw na dumipensa eh. Kita mo, dinadasalan na lang eh. Ang kalaban eh.
Hindi na rin sila nakaka-rebound dito.
Oh, kita mo, pinapabayaan na.
Medyo naging factor din yung pagod eh.
Oh yeah. Medyo ano na yung oras eh. Ito na, titira uli. Outside.
Boss Charles.
Pinapabayaan. Kita mo, dinadasalan na lang eh. Winipray.
Kaya nga eh.
Tinataasan na lang ng kamay.
Here's Oleg. Finally. Ito na ulit sila. 13-2 is the score. 11-point lead. Now it's Team Katagumpay.
Titira na ito uli.
Boss Charles decides
sure.
to take it closer and he knocks it down.
You know, I'm guessing we're gonna get to 21. Halftime doesn't have the energy to defend.
Shooting blanks. Itong Halftime. Team Katagumpay just cruising through everybody.
Look at that.
Minsan na lang sila makatira ng libre.
Maybe they need to have a
May
substitution.
violation pa.
The players doesn't have any energy here. Itong lalo na itong Team Halftime. Kulang yata sa pagkain. Rising Street Sneakers, outside shot, and just sinking shot after shot, 17. And Hamtime still having problem. Nasupalpal pa.
But there's a foul.
On Team Rising. Team Halftime shooting one.
Team Halftime, naka-score din doon. Score ba yun?
Attacks.
Wala talaga. Kala ko naka-score na eh.
Shooting one. Team Halftime.
Here we go. Another shot chance here. Wala pa rin.
Hindi mo natatanong, partner.
Finally,
4:01 remaining.
17-4.
Ito na ulit. Ang Rising Street Sneakers. 17-4. A long climb para dito sa Team Halftime.
There you go. Some energy there. They needed that score. Another one. Ayun, nasupal
He
pa.
got blocked. 2 seconds remaining. Got off in time.
Maala talaga. Naagaw.
Oops, wala na naman yan. Not counted.
Sayang.
Dahil hindi na ilabas.
Team Rising basketball.
Outside shot. No good.
Out of bounds.
17-6. 3 minutes remaining. Rising Street Sneakers on the verge of going to the semifinals. Pinasa
Good
pa.
passing by Rising Street Sneakers.
Wala, pinasa pa.
Umalat parehas ng dalawang kupunan natin.
Wow.
Takes two. Yeah.
Pinabayaan na. Wala talaga. Wala nang tumatakbo dito.
Parang parehas na kupunan natin. Pagod na, no?
Yes. Fatigue factor.
And a timeout has been called by Rising Street Sneakers. They have a commanding lead. 17-6 is the score. 2 minutes and 17 seconds remaining here in the game.
Bacoor Cavite Strike Gymnasium. This is the Motivated 3x3 Season 3 Influencers Cup quarterfinals between Team Halftime versus Rising Street Sneakers. Back to the ball game. Foul called on Team Rising at halftime. Shooting one.
We're in awe. Sinasabay namin yung mga players eh. Medyo kulang na.
Natatawa na sa atin si Boss Dane Grospe.
Dane, sub muna. Sub muna daw. Oh.
Alright, meron tayo ulit guest commentator dito sa
Grabe, full of
Motivated.
energy, boss.
Kaya nga eh. The coin flip king,
Yes, is back.
Mr. Dane Grospe himself is back here in the Motivated 3x3 Season 3. And Rising Street Sneakers with a commanding lead, 17-8 with a minute and 34 seconds remaining here in this game. Boss Dane, your thoughts on this game?
Talagang yung ham time naging hang time na, boss. Talagang na half time na rin sila.
Kaya nga eh.
Oh, yan. Iba rin kasi yung yung maglalaro ka tapos magpapahinga ka na matagal. Yung lamig, yung problema natin as a player. Yun ang medyo challenging sa one
Tsaka
day.
syempre, Boss Dane, yung biyahe papunta dito.
Yes.
Medyo ano rin yan. Pero syempre, thankful tayo na nandito kayong lahat.
Of course. We're very grateful na meron tayong opportunity na ganito. Pero syempre, ang kalaban din namin dito, yung hintay.
Yung hintay.
Pero sa inyo, believe ako kasi ilang laro kayo.
Para mga pang 40 na namin to.
Wala na.
Hindi pa tayo tapos.
Out of words na. Mamaya na lang sa semis na.
Oo, sige. Asahan mo yan, boss. Pagka kayo na ulit,
Yes.
ano na, 100% na ulit.
Okay. Ito live ba napapanood nila to?
Hindi. Taped as live siya, pero pre-recorded itong coverage natin na to.
Yun na. Natapos na, boss. 21 points.
Hindi man lang uminit.
Tapos na ang Ryzen.
Yung headset dito ni Boss Dane.
Oo. Ito, maganda yung susunod na laban. Abangan nila to.
Sino? Sino ba yung susunod na laban?
Boss Doggy, saka Boss GK.
Ayun,
magandang
maganda
laro
nga yung
yun.
laban na yun. Parehas may isang talo, dalawang panalo.
Yun.
Itong dalawang kukunan natin. Pero, ikaw ba ulit ang makakasama namin dito?
Kayo na ulit. Naghihintay ito ng blessing eh. Sabi niya.
Again, congratulations para sa Ryzen Street Sneakers for winning this one. A commanding lead, an overwhelming win para sa kanila. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nakatutok at nakasubaybay pa rin dito sa Motivated 3x3 Season 3 at ang ating guest commentator ngayon. Mga naging guest commentator natin si Boss Dane Grosped, the Coin Flip King, the owner of Flip Phenomenal Soul. Si Boss Doggy, naging commentator din natin kanina, at si Boss Patricio. And ang ating mga naging commentators, ito po si Charles Bechong, kasama si Pao Salud. Magbabalik po ang Motivated 3x3 Season 3.
Here, the best player of the game, Boss Charles. Boss Charles, kanina ka pa namin nakikitang kumakana, hindi ka nagpapasab, hindi ka napapagod, but you are still consistent. Sabi mo wala kang ensayo, pero parang hindi naman, parang talagang kondisyon ka eh.
Hindi, una sa lahat, syempre, yung teammate ko nagbibigay sa akin ng inspirasyon. Syempre, nagtitiwala sila sa akin. Kaya napapansin nyo, habang naglalaro kami inside the court, nagtitinginan kami. So, titira ko ba to o atakihin ko? So, andun talaga yung team eh. So, kumbaga, hindi ko magagawa to kung wala sila.
And, Boss Charles, nakita natin, naglaro ka last season, di ba? Pero it is very obvious na this season, mas maganda. Way better ang nilalaro mo. Bakit ganon? Bakit it's a stunning improvement of your game? Anong nangyari?
So, ako kasi minsan naniniwala din ako sa may araw na good game, merong mga bad game. So, lagi lang tayo matutong mag-adjust sa game. Huwag tayong kakabahan. Alamin natin yung mga weakness ng kalaban natin. Napin natin yung mga mismatch. Pero ngayon kasi talagang na-motivate ako na sana makapaglaro kami kahit sa semis or sana makapag-champion. Yun lang.
Okay, after this, semifinals na laruan ninyo, do you still have the energy? Hopefully, up until the finals. Do you still have the energy, Boss Charles?
O meron pang natitira. So, kami lahat. So, sana pala rin. And, syempre, maraming salamat sa Motivated 3x3. Sa opportunity na ganito. As a aspiring vlogger, sobrang salamat. Kasi, kagaya nyo, nakikita ako sa ganitong game. Sobrang thankful po ako sa inyo. Thank you so much.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations once again, Boss Charles. Balik po sa inyo.